wind and rain. Didn't give the eldest one any pain, crying, oh, the gentle wind and rain. Pushed her into the river to drown, and oh, the wind and rain. And watched her as she floated down, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. She floated till she came a fisher in the pond, crying, oh, the wind and rain. Crying, Father, oh, Father, there swims the swan, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. Miller pulled her out with his drifting hook, crying, oh, the wind and rain, and pulled that fair maid from the brook, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. Led her on the banks to dry, crying, oh, the wind and rain. And a fiddling fool comes passing by, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. Out of the woods came a fiddler fair, crying, oh, the wind and rain. He took 30 strands of her long yellow hair, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. And he made a fiddle bow of her long yellow hair, crying, oh, the wind and rain. And he made a fiddle bow of her long yellow hair, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. And he made fiddle pegs of her long finger bow, crying, oh, the wind and rain. And he made fiddle pegs of her long finger bow, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. And he made a little fiddle of her breastbone, oh, the wind and the rain, whose sound could melt the heart of stone, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. And the only tune that the fiddle would play, oh, the wind and the rain. And the only tune that the fiddle